Good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome again to your grammar class. This is chapter 30 Advertisements. In this chapter, topics to be discussed are meaning of advertising, objectives of advertising, and its different types. Students, tell me one thing. Have you ever wondered why brands spend so much to be heard and seen through TV commercials, on newspapers and ads, etc.? ऐसा क्या है जो ब्रांड्स इतना ज़्यादा स्पेंड करते हैं? जो भी आप कमर्शियल्स देखते हो टीवी पे या न्यूज़पेपर में आप एड्स पढ़ते हो, एंड व्हाट मेक्स यू ट्रस्ट अ पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड वाइल शॉपिंग? और आप एक पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड को ही क्यों ट्रस्ट करते हो जब आप शॉपिंग करते हो? दिस इज एग्जैक्टली द पावर ऑफ एडवर्टाइजिंग. नाउ, व्हाट इज एडवर्टाइजिंग? Advertisements are messages paid for by the brands and entities to reach you and also influence your decision through a product pitch. एडवर्टाइजमेंट वो पेड मैसेजेस हैं जो कि ब्रांड्स, बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज पे करती हैं ताकि आप तक पहुंचा जा सके और आपके डिसीजन को अपने प्रोडक्ट के फेवर में इन्फ्लुएंस किया जा सके. Advertisement is one of the most important means of conveying a message to thousands of people at the same time. Now, everywhere you look, there is advertising telling us about different products and their services, etc. Whether it is on internet, television, commercials, in newspapers, on magazines, and sometimes on hoardings. In your city, when you travel from one place to another, you normally see the big hoardings that are advertising the products for a particular brand or of a particular company. Now, what are the objectives of advertising? It is used to introduce a new product in the market, to support personal selling programs. It is the means of conveying a message to make the sale of the product to be higher or highest. Next is, it is to used to fight competition. There are a lot of products in the market. Advertisement makes that particular product more growing. That's why people attract to purchase them. Next is to enhance the goodwill of the company. It improves dealer relation, and it is used to enter a new product in the market or to attract new customer for particular brand. Now, what are the types of advertisements? There are two types of advertisements, classified and commercial. In previous classes, you already have learnt about the commercial or displayed advertisements. Now, we will study here classified advertisements. Classified advertisements are categorized into columns according to different cases like matrimonial, sale purchase, etc. They have written in short, catchy phrases and words. They are written in very concise form in minimum number of words. The language used is very simple, factual, and formal. All the relevant information regarding the product or service are provided. Their features, their uses, etc. Contact name and address is given. Contact name and address of the company which is advertising a particular product. They are written in a box to attract attention, and classified advertisements is usually written in a box to make it more attractive. Okay. Now, classified advertisement is of two types, situation vacant and situation wanted. In this chapter, we will study about situation vacant. What is situation vacant? Situation vacant refers to a position which is to be filled in by a suitable person according to the eligibility criteria needed for that particular position. It always begins with wanted or required. It expresses the name of organization. All details like eligibility conditions, contact details, name of vacancy, number of vacancy required, essential qualification, preference for what, male or female, salary description, opportunity for growth or promotion, application or interview procedure what will be, and at the last, contact and address. For an example, Hotel Lakeview Udaipur needs young and smart lady receptionist. Write an advertisement to be published in the situation vacant column of the newspaper. Then the performer will be, first of all, it should be in a column. At the beginning, there will be situation vacant. Then wanted convent educated, क्वालिफिकेशन आ गई. स्मार्ट एंड यंग लेडीज फीमेल रिक्वायरमेंट है इन द एज ग्रुप 21 to 25. Required age between 21 and 25 with pleasing personalities and fluency communication to work as a receptionist for a reputed 5-star hotel. Then knowledge of a foreign language besides English will be preferred. Language needed. They need that receptionist who knows English as well as one foreign language. Handsome salary and perks. Apply up to 30th of June with complete biodata and recent passport size photograph to now at the enter address. Personal manager, Hotel Lakeview, Udaipur. That's it. Now, what will you do? You have to attempt part A, B, C on page numbers 175 and 176 in your grammar book. Thank you. Have a great day.